Welcome to the Cultivating Dreams, your ultimate source for everything related to agriculture. I'm a passionate agricultural enthusiast with a deep-rooted passion for this field, and I'm truly delighted to have you as part of our community. As an agricultural expert, I'm here to provide you with expert guidance and foster meaningful discussions. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just beginning your journey in agriculture, our community is here to support and empower you. Our channel is your gateway to the ever-changing world of agriculture, where we cover pressing issues and explore game-changing technologies. We are passionately committed to exploring the world of innovation in agriculture. Modern technologies, secrets lie beneath the soil, current challenges in agriculture, and the potential solutions that will define the future of farming. Our channel is committed to showcasing cutting-edge innovations in agriculture. From smart farming techniques to revolutionary, sustainable practices, we're here to keep you informed about the latest breakthroughs that are transforming the way we grow and harvest our crops. In today's digital era, technology plays a vital role in revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. At the Cultivating Dreams, we explore the wonders of precision agriculture, application of drones, artificial intelligence, and more. Agriculture faces numerous challenges, including climate change, resource scarcity, and food security. Our channel is committed to shedding light on these pressing issues, providing valuable insights into the hurdles that farmers and communities face worldwide. Beyond discussing the challenges, we believe in proactively seeking solutions. The Cultivating Dreams presents innovative ideas, sustainable practices, and community-driven initiatives that can tackle the obstacles head-on. Let's work together to create a resilient and thriving agricultural future. If you're as passionate about agriculture as we are, hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community of agricultural enthusiasts. Together, we'll stay updated on the latest trends, technologies, and best practices that can shape a brighter tomorrow for agriculture. The Cultivating Dreams is not just a YouTube channel, it's a platform where we can all learn, exchange ideas, and collaborate to make a positive impact on the agriculture industry. Let's sow the seeds of knowledge and cultivate a sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference. For more updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.